we had discussed how to plot the points in a coordinate plane. In a coordinate plane. And we will read something more in this class. Again, I will revise that one. Suppose we are interested to plot this point. Suppose a point A, 3, 5, and B is another point minus 6 and 10, and C is a point minus 2, minus 4, and D is a point whose coordinates are 3 and 3 and minus 5, 3 and minus 7, minus 7. We want to plot these points. According to the sign, there is a x coordinate and a y coordinate in the first quadrant is the plus and plus. Both are plus. In the second quadrant, this is your second quadrant. Here the x coordinate is the negative and your y coordinate is the positive. In the third quadrant, this is your third quadrant, and here your x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative. And in the fourth quadrant, your x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. This is your sign of the coordinates in different quadrants. Accordingly, we will plot the point. Now I am not going to, let's say A3, x coordinate 3a, x coordinate 3 मतलब 1, 2, 3. I will go 3 units. Then I will move to 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, yes, 5 units. These units will be same. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the point 3 and 5, and this point will be your A. This point will be your A. And point B, minus 6 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, these units will be of same distance, same measurement. You will take, and each division we consider as 1 unit. Now here it is 6, then 10. Similarly, in your graph paper, you have to go for 10 divisions. Then 10 divisions, same units, same. Each unit having same length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose this is your 10. So this point is your B, minus 6 and 10. Now your point C, minus 2, 4. Similarly, both are negative here. So here you will get the point C. Let it be, I am plotting roughly, and its point will be minus 2 and 4. Similarly here 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be your 3 and minus 7. In this way you can plot the points in a coordinate plane. Okay? Now we will proceed to find the distance between 2 points or the length of a straight line when the coordinates of the extreme points are given. Extreme points are given. Suppose this is a straight line. This is a point. Suppose this is a straight line and its coordinate is x1, y1. x1, y1, and its coordinate is x2, y2. x2, y2. And what will be the, suppose this is point P and Q, and we are interested to find the length of a formula. We will derive a formula to measure, to find the length of this line PQ. So, how you will do this? Now, note again. Now you draw a perpendicular from point P then it will R. Similarly, you draw another perpendicular from point Q to x-axis. This will be S. Now you draw a line which is perpendicular to QS by making perpendicular to QS. Now let this be T. Now this will be T. Okay. Now from the coordinates, it is the clear cut. It is this length is your x2 minus x1. This is your x2 minus x1. So this distance is the x2 and this distance is the x1. Up to this distance x2 है. यहाँ तक हमारा distance कितना है? x2 है. और जैसे यहाँ का distance कितना है? x1 है. So RS will be x2 minus x1 and your q2 will be similarly your y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Now this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, your PQ is the hypotenuse. PQ is equal to B square. PQ is equal to your x. PQ is equal to your hypotenuse. PQ is equal to x. You know x is equal to P square plus B square. P square plus B square. So this is your P is equal to y2 minus y1 plus square plus x2 B square. x2 minus x1 plus square. This is the formula you can use to find the length of a straight line when the coordinates of its extreme points are given. Extreme points are given. Are you clear? Okay. Suppose we will take an example. Suppose a point P is 6 and minus 3 and Q is your 5 and suppose 8. Now what will be the length of the straight line joining PQ? Then here you will write x1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to minus 3, y2 is equal to 8. Now according to the formula, PQ will be y2 minus y1 का whole square, 8 minus 3 का square plus x2 minus x1, 5 minus 6 का square and this is your 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 8 plus 3, 11 का square, ये 5 minus 1 का square, minus 1 का square हो गया, ये कितना हो गया? 11 का square हो गया 121, ये हो गया 1, मतलब ये square root of 122. Now you find the square root of 122. Whatever you will get, that will be the length of the straight line joining the point P, Q. Okay? If I will find the square root, what I am getting? 1, 1, then 2, 2, 1, 21, then here 1, 0, 0. It will come 11 point something. 11 point something 100 है. क्या हमारा 1 ऐड करके 22 है. तो यहाँ पर क्या 0 जाएगा. फिर यहाँ पर 1, 2, 0 डालना है. ऐसे चलेगा 11 point something. You will get the answer. Okay. So today